Casper just got listed on Coinbase futures, and I think that is pretty bullish for Casper because it means more and more people are going to know about it. Okay, and now it's officially on Coinbase futures and Binance futures. So all we have left to do now is finally get these spot listings. Okay, so I think obviously first it's going to be Binance and then it's going to be Coinbase. Maybe Coinbase is the end of this year, maybe even next year. But I would indicate that Binance is probably sooner than what most people think. Okay, it's not that far away, especially if wallet number 5 is Binance. Okay, there's a chance it's Binance, there's a chance it's OKX, but it's probably one of the two. And they continue to load up on Casper. They bought 6.9 million Casper tokens just in the last 24 hours, and they continue to add as an exchange would. Okay, if you look at the likes of Uphold add less Casper than this number 5. So I'm strongly of the belief that this is probably going to be quite a big exchange about to list Casper. Okay, and who knows how long it's going to take them. They could keep doing this for another few weeks. I don't know. But the point is they're loading up a lot of Casper, and they've been doing this for a while as well. So Casper will be officially launched on Coinbase futures. So you'll be able to trade Casper with leverage. This is not a spot listing, obviously, but it allows you to use leverage to trade Casper, which some people would say isn't necessarily a good thing because it can lead to manipulation to bring the price down. But either way, I see this as a bullish thing for Casper because it means it's on the main stage, it's becoming more relevant, and more people are going to know about it. Yes, when Casper got listed on Binance futures, we didn't really see a massive pump from that point onwards, I don't think. I think, in fact, that was maybe the start of the sideways consolidation. If you guys remember, I can't fully remember the date, but I remember the news coming out, and it did pump it. But then I don't really think we went that much higher. Was this the pump from Binance futures maybe, or was this it? I don't know. One of them was, but we didn't really go a lot higher, right? Maybe went up to 15 or 20 cents, and then that was kind of it, okay? And then we had the KLC20 launch, which pumped initially and then followed by a big dump, okay? So Casper continues to just trade in this massive range, all right? And until we see a confirmed breakout kind of above here and above here, Casper's still just ranging, and it can range as long as it wants. But I am of the belief that we are starting to finally see some momentum shift to the upside with Casper. If we look at the weekly RSI on the stochastic, okay, or the stochastic RSI it's called, you can see it's pretty much getting to a point of reset. And the last time that it did this, Casper saw a very nice pump, and the time before that, it also saw a very nice pump. So it's looking a lot better than what it was when Casper was up here, I would say. And yeah, just overall, there's a lot of catalysts coming to Casper that would indicate further upside in price in the next few weeks and months. I wouldn't be surprised, especially if the rest of the market pumps, that during March, we see Casper start to try and test these highs. And once it breaks out, by the way, I think it's going to be very parabolic, very fast. Once we actually break 20 cents, it's probably going to be like couple weeks and we're already at 50, or a few weeks, because that's how Casper moves, right? It can consolidate for a while, like it did down here. If I can just get the brush here, it consolidated for a while, and then boom, it went and pumped, a massive 227% in a very short period of time, in a couple weeks. Same thing can happen again with Casper this time around, as long as the overall market starts to pick up again. Okay. It's not just the listings that's going to be bullish for Casper, right? You got Binance probably listing it, OKX probably listing it quite soon as well. But you've also got some of the fundamental things coming to Casper. 10 BPS, okay? The crescendo upgrade. Stablecoins coming to Casper with the gigawatt, okay? You've got RWA tokenization. All these different things the KII are focusing on to enhance the Casper ecosystem. So there's a good post here by Goonboy Crypto, telling you all the different things that Casper is going to be doing. And the term powered by Casper is going to be a big phrase, okay, which is going to be their new brand initiative. So Casper is beyond just a peer-to-peer currency. They are also going to be powering a lot of DeFi and a lot of applications on the actual block DAG, okay? Because yes, Casper is a great peer-to-peer currency, but it's also great for smart contracts. Okay, smart contracts will be coming to Casper this year. And I think that is really where Casper becomes huge, because yes, peer-to-peer is very important, but there seems to not be a great demand for that right now. It's kind of weird. Like the main purpose of crypto when Bitcoin came out was to be a decentralized form of peer-to-peer payment. But for some reason, Bitcoin got hijacked. No one really cares about peer-to-peer anymore. People care more about smart contracts and DeFi. So when Casper comes out with smart contracts, it literally beats Ethereum on decentralization and security. It beats Solana definitely on decentralization and security. And the scalability and speed is rivaling some of the fastest chains in crypto, especially when they go to 10 BPS and 100 BPS. Okay, I showed you on my last video the graphic of Casper's speed at 10 BPS compared to Solana, Sui, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and loads of other top chains. And it's right at the top end, okay, in terms of speed. So I see it being the de facto chain for builders who want to focus on decentralization. Sure, Sui and Solana are still going to be here because they've got a lot of money and they're going to incentivize development on their chains through grants and things like that. But if you're a stable coin, okay, if you're a project which really, really wants to focus on decentralization, Casper could be the perfect chain for you. Because unfortunately, Bitcoin isn't ideal. There's too many issues with Bitcoin in terms of being slow, and it's not been designed for smart contracts in the first place. So Casper could be the ideal chain for something like a stable coin, because you saw what happened on Luna, right? Stablecoin just went to zero. So you can't really manipulate Casper and destroy the stablecoin on it. It will always be secure and decentralized. So that's my opinion on Casper moving forward. I'm very bullish. Wallet number 5 continues to add to its balance. Like I said, they added an extra 6.9 million Casper tokens, and they continue to do so. So this is very, very interesting. Let me know in the comment section down below, who do you think wallet number 5 is? Is it Binance? Is it OKX? Is it Michael Saylor, some people are saying, okay? Who do you think wallet number 5 is? Let me know. But overall, the Casper chart is looking a lot more positive than it was a few days ago. I was saying to you guys that if we break below this level here, the next level would be 5 cents. Luckily, we haven't done that, and we've survived the final drop on Casper, okay? If, for whatever reason, Bitcoin and the overall market started to dump, I think we would probably come down to the 7-cent region to retest this low. And if we did break below that, then it would be 5 cents, in my opinion. But I don't expect that. I think we are starting to move forward now positively. And I'd be very, very surprised if we were to come back down to 7 cents or below. But it is not impossible by any means. So check out my VIP group, guys, if you are interested in buy and sell alerts. Any project I buy, I let you guys know. And we've got a great track record. We purchased Casper at 3 cents. And many other cryptos. We made 10x's, 20x's, and even as high as 100x on Viot back in 2023. So if you want those types of gains, if you want a 24/7 active group, sharing crypto insights, doing voice chat calls with loads of 24/7 active text channels, check out this group. It's currently on sale. Use the code SAVE20, the number 20, SAVE20 at checkout. You're going to save yourself 20% off. I'm doing this since crypto is on a dip right now. I want to give you guys an opportunity to get into the best crypto group and surround yourself with like-minded individuals and make a much higher chance of succeeding this bull run. So check it out. The link's in the description. Highly, highly recommend. You can see the reviews. Every single one of them is 5 stars, and I've got tremendous feedback from the members. So hit that link in the description and sign up to the group before the prices go back up. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.